How to delete all TikTok followers at once. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Proceed towards profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line icon at top right corner and choose settings and privacy. Now choose privacy and make sure to toggle the button on for private account. Also, you can confirm the switch to a personal account if prompted. This will prevent new followers from adding you. And now, once you do that, you need to go back to your profile and then tap on followers. Now, you have to go ahead and select the particular follower and choose three dots next to them. And now, you need to choose remove this follower button. You have to repeat for each follower, and once you do that, you can delete all your followers all at once. But this might be very time consuming. So if you wish to delete the bunch of followers all at once, then you have to proceed towards three-line icon at top right, head towards setting and privacy, scroll to the bottom and choose report a problem. Now you have to scroll down and select chat with Osh. Now you have to describe your issue. Example, I need to delete all my followers, and you have to provide a reason. So here you got the answer that this feature is not currently available. So we have shared your request with our team. So you have to stay tuned for future updates. So once the TikTok bring this facility and the feature, you'll be able to delete TikTok followers all at once. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.